Guys, it's Lamza here. I know most of you guys have been saying deepNodeAI everywhere on your team, and I have decided to make a video about it. So let's get straight into the video. So for this tutorial video, we are doing basic tax. Yes, basic tax. The referral link and add your Twitter account. Yes, connect your Twitter account. As you can see, you follow them. Follow, and then you go back to confirm. Connect your Discord account too. Connect your Discord account. You know how you do answer this stuff now. You input the number, and then you go back to verify. You go back, yes, and then you mint. So to earn more points on deepNodeAI, you have to refer more people and then also mint. I think I minted about 3 on my other accounts, but this one is my new account. So if you are early, you mint enough, but if you are not early, I think you mint daily. I don't know, but yeah, I have 3 badges already. Bye guys, that is all for today. Make sure you take action today.